This video/stream is sponsored by TradersCentral.com. Traders Central provide funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusively for communicating with your traders friends. Sign up using the link in the descriptions and get up to 30% off on your first plan. Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. Today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in US30. I'll be doing the analysis from the weekly time frame to lower time frame, and we'll be sharing you the support and resistance levels for each time frame analysis. Please use this as a reference for deciding on your trade entry and exit. When we look at the current trend of the price action in weekly time frame, from here I am drawing a trend line or resistance line. We can clearly notice that previously this trend line had acted as a resistance line, and once the price action broke this resistance line, the price action is continuously trading above this resistance line. And when we ask the question whether the trend is on the bullish side, previously it was on a bullish side, but from here around the level of 36239, it stopped going on a bullish side and it is currently moving on a sideways. It is not drastically falling, or it is not going on a bullish side also. It is rather moving on a sideways in weekly time frame. So as long as this trend line or support line is holding, we can expect a sideways market to continue or a bullish trend to start. But looking at the current global situation, there are lesser chances for the price action to go on a bullish side. Let us do the analysis in daily time frame. So I am in daily time frame now. So when we draw a trend line, previously it was on a very nice bullish trend, and from this point it started moving on a sideways. So in daily time frame, I have marked the resistance levels and the support levels. In the past also we have noticed the price action retrace up to this trend line or support line from weekly time frame and had bounced back on the bullish side. Currently also it has retested on this trend line, still it has not broken this trend line. As long as this support level of 32,500 is holding, we can expect the market to remain in bullish trend. And if the price action breaks this support level, next level of support in the daily time frame is going to be around 29,685. Currently this area between 33,879 to 34,181 is acting as a very strong resistance level, and when we notice the price action also, it has formed a double top pattern, then came on a bearish trend reversal. So this level is the neck level of the double top pattern. So it has to break the neck level in order to go on a bullish side trend reversal. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame, I am drawing a trend line from the highest level. Previously it was on a very nice downtrend, and from this support level of 33,200, it started moving on a sideways. We can notice that it did not make new highs or it did not make new lows. The price is moving on a sideways in hourly time frame. As long as this resistance level of 34,200 is not taken, we can expect the sideways price action to continue in hourly time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values in yellow color boxes are the resistance and support levels for hourly time frame. 32,500 is a very strong support. If the price action breaks this support level, we can expect a further fall and to test the next level of support, which is around 32,158, and next level of support is going to be around 31,662. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. In 30 minutes time frame, I have drawn a resistance line over here. We can notice that currently the price action is consolidating within this resistance line and the support level. Wait for the price action to break this resistance line or support line in order to go on a directional trades. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this yellow color boxes are the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is taking support around the support level of 32,500 and moving on a sideways or consolidating. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. In 5 minutes time frame also we can notice a price action consolidating within these ranges. It is moving on a sideways for now. Since it is a range bound market, you can take trades within this rectangle pattern. Once the price action gives breakout from this resistance level or the support level, you can go on a directional trades. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. The values in yellow color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 5 minutes time frame. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.